10 coolest Ryobi power tools that you need to see. Ryobi 1 Plus Cordless Leaf Blower. The Ryobi 1 Plus 18-volt lithium-ion cordless leaf blower offers powerful performance in a compact design. With a variable speed trigger, it provides up to 100 miles per hour and 280 CFM for efficient debris clearing. Compatible with the same Ryobi 1 Plus 18V battery as over 100 other tools, it offers versatility and convenience. Featuring a debris scraper for loosening stubborn dirt and leaves, it ensures thorough cleaning. The lightweight design and ergonomic handle make it comfortable to use for extended periods. Please note, the battery and charger are sold separately. This blower is bulk packaged for shipping and arrives in a generic box, ready to tackle your outdoor cleanup tasks effortlessly. Ryobi PCL 811B Cordless Hybrid Fan. Introducing the Ryobi PCL 811B Cordless Hybrid Fan, designed to keep you cool with whisper-quiet operation and enhanced airflow. Utilizing hybrid technology, it can be powered by any Ryobi 1 Plus battery or an extension cord for added flexibility. With 3 speed settings and a 160 degrees pivoting head, you can customize the airflow to suit your needs. The compact design features multiple hanging options and an integrated handle for easy portability and storage. Backed by Ryobi's 3-year manufacturer's warranty, this fan is ideal for indoor and outdoor use, providing reliable cooling wherever you need it. Ryobi ELL 1002 Compact Laser Level. The Ryobi ELL 1002 Air Grip Compact Laser Level provides accuracy and ease of use for a wide range of indoor and outdoor tasks. With vacuum suction technology, it securely attaches to smooth, non-textured walls without the need for additional fasteners. It projects a laser beam straight ahead and around corners, perfect for installing shelving units or preparing straight cuts through lumber. Accurate up to 1/2 of an inch at 16 feet, it ensures precise alignment for your tasks. The compact design includes bubble levels for easy positioning, making it a valuable tool for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Ryobi PCL 660B Cordless LED Flashlight. Illuminate your workspace with the Ryobi PCL 660B Cordless LED Flashlight. With over 280 lumens and up to 22 hours of runtime, it provides bright and reliable light for various tasks. The 130-degree pivoting head allows you to adjust the beam direction for optimal visibility. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for use in tight spaces or on the go. Battery and charger sold separately, ensuring compatibility with your existing Ryobi 1 Plus tools. With its durable construction and powerful illumination, this LED flashlight is a must-have addition to your tool collection. Ryobi RYI300BG Battery-Powered Inverter. The Ryobi RE300BG 300-watt powered inverter offers convenient on-the-go power for a variety of small electronics. Compatible with Ryobi 40-volt batteries, it provides 300 watts of continuous output, perfect for laptops, tablets, cell phones, and more. Equipped with USB-A and USB-C outlets, as well as a 120-volt wall outlet, it offers versatile charging options. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to transport and store, making it ideal for outdoor activities, emergencies, or everyday use. The external LED light adds extra functionality, providing illumination when needed. Battery and charger sold separately, ensuring compatibility with your existing Ryobi 40-volt tools. Ryobi HP34L Lithium Screwdriver. The Ryobi HP34L 4-volt lithium screwdriver is a compact and lightweight tool designed for effortless screwdriving tasks. With a maximum rotational speed of 200 RPM, it offers efficient performance for various applications. Powered by an internal 4V lithium-ion battery, it ensures long-lasting use and comes with a charger for convenient recharging. This screwdriver can also be used manually even when the battery runs out, providing versatility and uninterrupted operation. Highly durable construction ensures reliability, making it a valuable addition to any toolbox or workshop. Ryobi P737 Cordless Power Inflator. The Ryobi P737 18-volt 1 Plus portable cordless power inflator is a versatile tool perfect for inflating tires and other inflatables. Compatible with Ryobi's 1 Plus battery system, it offers portable pumping power for added convenience. Its compact design features an ergonomic pistol grip handle for easy use and transport. Equipped with 2 high-pressure nozzles and an onboard pressure gauge, it eliminates the need for extra accessories. With a 20-inch hose and 0 to 150 psi pressure range, it provides efficient inflation for various applications. Plus, A storage compartment at the base holds all bits and nozzles for added convenience. Ryobi P591 Offset Shears. The Ryobi P591 18V1 plus 18 gauge offset shears are designed for cutting sheet metal, vinyl siding, shingles, and chicken wire with ease. Featuring an offset rotating head design, these shears allow access to tight cutting areas while maintaining comfort. Compatible with Ryobi's 1 Plus 18V battery system, they offer cordless operation for maximum portability. With over 261 plus tools in the lineup, they provide versatility for a wide range of applications. The package includes a belt clip and hex key for added convenience, making these shears a valuable addition to any toolkit. Ryobi R18 TPS Zero Telescoping Power Scrubber. The Ryobi R18 TPS Zero Telescoping Power Scrubber is the industry's most powerful handheld scrubber, offering extended reach and versatile cleaning performance. With a telescoping body that extends up to 51 inches and shrinks down to 38 inches, it provides flexibility for various cleaning tasks. Capable of up to 2 hours of continuous runtime with a P1084.0 battery, sold separately, it ensures efficient cleaning without interruptions. The 6-position articulating head allows users to adjust the brush angle for optimal results. Featuring an IPX7 water resistance rating, it's suitable for use in up to 3 feet of water for 30 minutes. The package includes the P4500 Power Scrubber, a 6-inch medium stiffness bristle brush, and an operator's manual. Battery and charger are sold separately. Ryobi P4001 Drain Auger. The Ryobi P4001 1 Plus 18V lithium-ion all-in-one 25-foot drain auger is the ultimate solution for unclogging drains in sinks or toilets. With a 25-foot coil, it can reach deep into drains to clear blockages efficiently. Featuring 2 driving modes, auto feed and cable clamp mode, it offers versatility for different types of clogs. The auto feed function pushes the cable forward, while cable clamp mode locks the cable in place for tackling tough spots. Compatible with Ryobi 1 Plus 18V batteries, it ensures cordless operation for added convenience. Whether you're a professional plumber or a DIY enthusiast, the Ryobi P4001 Drain Auger is the perfect tool for keeping your drains clear and flowing smoothly.